Hey guys, Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2026 Grand Design Transcend. It's the 285 RKT. Rear kitchen floor plan, single slide out, great couples camper, very unique, lots of countertop, sitting area. Let's get started, take a look. If you guys remember, watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a clip at the slide in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. Always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right. Walk in, your living room, slide, rear kitchen, standing in the back, looking forward, all linoleum, flush slide. You got the side hallway to the master bedroom. That's where we'll start. Queen walk around bed, overhead storage, shelving, nice drawers, laundry chute, nice Grand Design logo there, the compass, your little bedroom nooks, it's got charging areas, lighting, your second AC, spot for a TV, fire escape window, does have a shade. The other side has got hanging storage. More hanging storage here, drawers down low, a solid door to close off the bedroom from the rest of the camper. Large windows in the hallway with the shades. Another solid door to close off the bathroom. Medicine cabinet and shelving. Retractable private curtain. It's got the textured look, so it gives you that privacy. I'm 6'5". Headroom, I am touching in the skylight. So 6'3" or less, you got plenty of room. Down low, storage and drawers. We already looked in the medicine cabinet. You do have an exhaust fan. The controls here for your thermostat for the main living room AC. You've got your controls here. You do have dimmers, control your slide, your awning, check your holding tanks, your JBL sound system. Got Bluetooth, your booth dinette. You've got a modified standard booth with the 2 chairs. You can remove that. You've got a TV that rotates. You can see it from the kitchen or the living area, directly across from the theater seats. Theater seats have cup holders. You see the divider. Again, we mentioned the flush slide, linoleum throughout. Little storage area here. You got your goodies, magnets that hold those drawers shut. Charging area, overhead storage. Under that booth dinette or smock booth, you got storage there as well. Solid surface countertops, lots of counters with the rear kitchen. But in the slide, pet drawers, you got the freezer, you've got the refrigerator, 12 volt. Another window. This really makes a big difference for the natural light. Huge window, rear and side windows. Pantry's massive, your fuse panel's in there. But back to the countertops, you've got tons of space. 3-burner range with the pots and pans drawer. No oven, but you do got LED lights. Furrion, your exhaust fan. Microwave's in a good spot. Down low, you got lots of drawers. Trash can built in. All of these drawers a little different, but good shelving, good storage. Large sink, extended spray head. Got the soap dispenser, paper towel holder. Underneath lighting, your brand new 2026 Grand Design Transcend 285 RKT. We'll work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, your front logo, power tone jack, model number, spot for 2 batteries. It will come with 1, 2 20-pound LP bottles under cover, rock guard, pass-through storage, has your motion sensor light, your solar controller, your battery and solar disconnect, water hookup, feed everything through the bottom, your quick winterization port here, which is going to be on a lot of the newer Transcends. Makes it very easy to winterize. Your cable, you got a little power hookup, dual latches in addition to the lock. You've got a dry weight of 7,024 pounds. All 4 corner manual stabilizer jacks, black tank flush, your black and gray hookups, slide out here, Transcend logo. On the back, you've got your rear gray tank. Because it is a rear kitchen, you are looking at a 50 amp service, spare tire on the bumper, your exhaust for your range. You are prepped for the Lippert ladder and prepped for backup camera. We will go ahead and take a look at the roof. You got 2 roof vents, 2 ACs, solar panel, skylight, TV antenna. You've got the new little clothesline here for drying towels, bathing suits, any of that good stuff. You've got outside kitchen, which has got your griddle and your mini fridge. All that fits underneath the awning, which has got LED lights. You've got your JBL sound system, backside of your hot water heater, and you have the quick connect for your outside shower, which will reach the steps, pets, kids, all that good stuff. Down low, you've got your hookup for your LP, dual axle, your leash latch, and it's got a little bottle opener as well. Cable and power hookup here. Large assist handle, reaches all the way down. Lippert solid steps with the adjustable height on those legs. And then the other side of the pass-through storage, some goodies here. Got access to the laundry chute. There's the quick connect hose for your shower, manual crank for your jacks. You got a motion sensor light on both sides. And then you got a table here. Grand Design portable table that you can take outside, adjust the heights of those legs, have a card table, take it inside, whatever you like. So nice addition there. So your brand new 2026 Grand Design Transcend. It's the 285 RKT. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, slide in. As you can see, you got access to get front to back. You can get in about half of the freezer. You can fully get in the refrigerator. No problems. I mean, technically you can squeeze through if you need to get in the kitchen, cook, sink. And you can get to the bathroom and the bedroom, no problem.